Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device and computer. This matters because updates can fail without a fresh backup. Once iTunes is installed and you're signed in, connect the iPhone or iPad with a reliable cable and unlock it. Tap Trust the computer. Make sure you have enough free space and at least 50% battery or connect to power. Now open iTunes, select the device icon in the upper left, and choose Check for Update to start the process. Once you tap Update, iTunes checks Apple's servers and downloads the firmware. You should keep the device plugged in and your computer awake. Disconnecting mid-transfer can brick the device. While downloading, close bandwidth-heavy apps and pause large file transfers so the download completes faster. When prompted, follow on-screen instructions. iTunes will extract and install the update, showing progress bars and device status messages. This step ensures both After installation, the device restarts and shows setup screens. Follow them to re-enable Face ID, Wi-Fi, and other features. Make sure you verify app and data integrity. If something's missing, restore from the backup you made. If iTunes reports errors or the device won't boot, first update iTunes and your computer's drivers, then retry. As a last resort, use DFU mode to reinstall firmware, but only after confirming your backup is complete, because DFU erases the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.